Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moreen. I'm here to present Mendeley installation. Dear viewers, following what I've done in my PowerPoint presentation, I just want to take you straight there such that we are able to do and we are able to understand clearly what I am going to discuss about. I want us to look at Mendeley installation so here we are. I want it to first download. It is downloading. I need you to be patient. Still downloading. There we are. It's coming. Let me remove this. So that is Mendeley. As you can see in this first slide, I have that title Mendeley. You have to go to the Mendeley website if you want to install Mendeley. Then in the next step that I want to show you is that the next step is you download Mendeley desktop. How do you download this? You need to click on the download key and select the version for your OS. For example, this is here, this is MacOS, and then here is example, which is AG. Okay, so you click on the download key and select the version for your OS. And for example, we have Windows, MacOS, or Linux. Then in the third slide here, after downloading Mendeley desktop, you run the installer. In Windows, run the exe file and follow the prompts. In MacOS, you open the DMG file and drag Mendeley to application. Then in Linux, you follow distro specific instructions on the Mendeley app. So this is how you run the installer. Then in my first presentation, finally, here you will now create or log into your account, and then you will sign up or log in with your email and follow on screen the tips to add reference and set up folders. So as you can see, that is exactly what I wanted to show you in the different steps when you are going to use Mendeley. I want to also show you the one that I have opened. Here it is, Mendeley desktop. I have saved it in my desktop. You can see it is still opening. Okay, here we are. Since I am supposed to be connected to the internet and I'm just trying to Mendeley desktop running, yes, I am just trying to show you how it is done. So here you can see, welcome to Mendeley desktop, welcome to Mendeley. Here, this is what I was telling you in my first slide. You have to provide your email and then you give it your password and then stay in or sign. You have to sign it in, and then here you sign in and you continue with the procedure. That is how you can install your Mendeley. Dear viewers, since I'm not connected, I would have showed you many other steps as you continue, but this one is already open. I have it in my desktop. I have installed it. So please, you can also do the same and follow with what I have given you, such that you are able to install your Mendeley. It is very good for citation. You can use it anywhere you want. Thank you. We meet next time, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube to show that you have liked it. Bye bye.